gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Exesha Fate was it is awaited. Also, if you don't know me, then I don't know, I'm chilling with Ruth. This is our first collaboration, you know the vibes. We're gonna do the most. I'm here to rate her outfit, right? Yeah, I'm here to rate her outfit. It's a secret, guys. I'm gonna rate her from 1 to 5. I said it's 1 to 10, but to me it's 1 to 5 because of some reasons, but I won't say it on camera. So yeah, let's just get straight to the video. I can't wait.
Okay, you can open your eyes.
Wow, like this is so nice. I don't wanna lie to you.
Thanks.
This is so nice.
Yeah, this is something I think I'd wear going out with the girls. Yeah,
nice.
But these days I'm not so comfortable with like crop tops and stuff. I don't know why. I don't know.
But it's nice though.
Thanks. I'm also wearing these shoes. These are new. I haven't worn these yet.
Okay, I'm gonna give him. What did I say him? I'm gonna give her.
So I'm gonna get them on.
Okay. Just a mistake. I think I'll give you 6.
Out of what?
10.
Seriously?
Yeah, 6.
No.
I'm for it. I'm gonna give you 6. I don't like girls with shorts, but it's nice though.
But then it's my body. Why can't I wear shorts if I want to wear shorts?
It's nice. That's what I'm saying. But
seriously,
I'm gonna give you 6. I think I'm here to rate you, right?
I mean,
so
I know, but
you don't have to complain.
It sounds so unfair.
It's fine. It's fine. 6 is fine. But remind me if I said 4. It's fine. Don't lose confidence. It's fine.
That's fine. It's okay. So let me go wear the next outfit.
For sure.
Oh, by the way, I'm styling shorts and jeans. So basically, my bottoms are all gonna be denim. Either the shorts or the long boyfriend jeans, because those are actually they're trendy these days, like mommy jeans and boyfriend jeans and stuff. I don't know if you know all those, do you?
I don't know the names of the jeans.
Okay. Yeah, that's what we're doing. So these they're at all of my outfit. So that they see the big. So I got these shoes from Mr. Price, the top Mr. Price, the shorts Selection Mart, handbag Modern Boutique.
Your shoes sponsor
Earings,
us.
Modern Boutique. They should, hey? Imagine I can have Mr. Price.
18.
Anyway, that's it.
Another one. This one feels like it's the one.
What do you mean it feels like it's the one? The presence.
Can hear from the shoes.
Oh, okay. And 3, 2, 1. You can open your eyes.
Wow.
Should I turn around?
Obviously you should.
The party's in the back.
Now look at this, bruh. This is how you should wear, Like,
this is, you know what, for real, ne?
Yeah.
This is what I want to look like.
Yeah.
Almost all the time. But then you get to give
But you're fine, like, it's so fine.
I feel like there are no places for me to look like this in Bots.
You can go anywhere looking like this.
Where?
Anyway,
What more?
you wanna wear short?
Botswana?
Yeah.
No. The other day I wore shorts. People were looking at me like I'm some
beach or something.
Yeah. So I don't like the way that people look at us when we wear such things. I mean, for me, this is my taste.
Okay.
This is me.
Since I like it and the color
And everything.
It matches with your skin in the back.
Thanks.
And earrings. So I'm gonna give her 8.
We're not demanding point at 8.
8. From 6 to 8. Yeah, that's a lot, bro. I don't know, like this. 8.
Imagine an 8.
8 is fine.
I hope my boobs are not showing. Imagine an 8
This shoe.
for this, for looking like this. 8. 80.
8.
At 7-11 out of
No.
10.
No. Maybe the next one.
Okay, let me go put in my next outfit then.
Yeah. Let me just read this. I have nothing to say.
Yeah?
I have nothing to say about it.
What do you mean? You don't
It's
like
cool, it's nice. I have nothing to say. I'm gonna give you a 7.
it? Divided by this.
7 is fine. I guess it's not the last one.
But I can
Maybe
skip.
I'm gonna give you 10. You never know. It's fine. It's 7.
But then you said you don't like revealing things most. This is covering
Okay, let me be honest with you. I don't like the car.
the top.
Yeah.
I feel like it's too much.
Car. Yeah. And the shoe.
You don't like the shoes?
Shoes and the shoe. Yeah.
You don't like them?
I don't
The
like
color.
That
But-
that glue
No,
was
but
nice.
for spring. This
I
is this.
understand it's spring, but there's no beaches in Motswana.
So?
Oh.
You are the one who just said I should wear my things. I told you the problem is what in Botswana. You're like, no.
No.
So what's wrong with this?
No, not that color though. Well, at least I gave you
Where was wrong
7.
with it?
7.
Tell them I went to pick you up late.
No,
So
no,
yeah.
no. That's not the reason. I'm gonna give you a 7. 7. Imagine if I said 3.
Okay.
It's fine. I'm gonna change. Should I?
Yeah.
It kinda looks the same.
The same. With
Yeah.
what?
The one you are wearing.
Guy.
The one you are saying is for the. What did you say?
So That was a green top.
Oh, okay. Okay, I don't wanna lie, ne? This one is nice. It's nice.
Can I have the top here?
Yeah. What should I say? It's nice and the shoes. Yeah. It's fine.
Eh. How much are you gonna rate it?
Another 8. 8. Isn't it funny?
You don't remind me of that teacher. Go scaling. La how can lega wa la. Wa ku flero kwa jile to exam. Wa so say
No, I
8%.
gave you 8 out. 8.
Aba mara rona ka kana to kasara 100% to get it English shara. Imagine.
No, facts.
No, you
For
are.
you to get 10, you have to like, you know. It's fine. 8.
Okay, I'll accept an 8.
Should I check the pic for them? later?
Yes, please. With him here.
I can feel the sun and the shoes.
Alright.
Why is it hitting my eyes like? I don't know what lie that felt like.
Let me turn around.
Wow. I'm gonna give you a 10.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you like
I'm
green?
gonna give you a 10. Wow, this is so nice.
Thanks.
It's nice. I
Thanks.
give it. Did you paint your nails?
The bean.
I didn't realize.
But you thought I just painted them now
Yeah.
to match this?
Yeah.
No, the bean red.
10.
I'm probably gonna accessorize this with like a necklace. Just something subtle.
Hope you all are good now. You all can subscribe now. 10.
If you never
You don't
exit
tell them
that-
where we got it
Why
from.
did? I think I'm gonna put it in the description box,
Oh, okay.
right?
Okay, it's fine.
Because I feel like it was gonna waste like a lot of time.
Okay.
Okay. This is the outfit. Guess how much I got this top? Yeah, it was 30 bula.
30.
Yeah. It was 30 bucks.
Wish I was like, yeah.
Shame, sorry. Yeah, you can open your eyes.
This one doesn't deserve what you're not.
No,
But
it
I'm not
does.
saying it's not
I've
nice.
worn something like this out.
But it doesn't deserve what you're. You have to move twice later.
No, I deserve to. I actually
No.
deserve to.
You wanna wear this when
Kuro essay with UK, yeah, no one.
yeah.
Yeah, if you want to turn like a one over.
Okay.
Gonna find that and then they are Qatar Airways.
It's nice.
Thanks.
Turn around, let me see everything.
What is this plain? There's nothing. Nothing to it. Nothing to it.
I might give her a 10.
Oh,
Yeah,
thanks.
because it's nice. You're looking like a lady now.
I look like a lady. You know, I'm tiny, it's my name.
No, I'm not saying. I didn't say you didn't look like a lady. What I'm calling. It's fine.
I know I never said hi, you guys. So hi. Teddy did it on my behalf. But yeah, with the Teddy, that's fine.
No, not TikTok.
Ted
That's
did it
gay.
on my behalf. What's that?
My name is Ted, not Teddy Bear.
I said Teddy, not Teddy Bear. Teddy.
Teddy stands for what?
Oh my god. Guys, Ted did it on my behalf. So yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Even though the video is ending now, I just wanted to say hi. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys will go to Ted Mosweu's YouTube channel and subscribe there. Also follow him on Instagram. We also have a video up on his channel. Well, I'm gonna post this on Thursday, so you're gonna post on Friday.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, please watch our channel, our video on his channel. We're reacting to some weird, very weird confessions. Extremely weird confessions. So I know that you guys would enjoy that. It's something to take a break off like the vlogs and everything. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have some ideas on how to style your denim jeans or shorts for this autumn, spring, for this summer, okay? Yeah, I hope you guys have some ideas and you guys are gonna put the pieces together and you will tag me after doing that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we'll see you guys another time. Thank
Peace
you.
out.
Bye.